Glamour Effects. OSMO Pocket 3 features an integrated beauty mode. To enable or disable this function, swipe the screen to the left and tap on Glamour Effects. With Glamour Effects enabled, a smiley face icon will appear in the top right corner of the touchscreen. However, the real-time display of the beauty effect will not be visible on the screen. After connecting your camera to DJI Mimo, real-time viewing of the beautified effects is possible. After accessing the Glamour Effects interface, you can choose to use the default settings for automatic beautify or freely adjust parameters such as smooth, brighten, and slim, while the original material effects will be preserved in the SD card. Materials with beauty effects need to be exported through the DJI Mimo app on a mobile phone. Before entering the Glamour Effects settings in Mimo, please wait a moment for rendering to be completed.